I chose Waldorf because the people here were so inviting, and it was a small town feel for me because I'm from a small town of about 400. I also loved the comm department and all of the equipment that we had available to us. It felt like a little Hollywood to me. Recently, I was promoted to station manager of WAL TV. It's just a great place to unleash your creativity and just get to have fun with those around you. Waldorf is home. From the first semester I've been here, I've called it home on accident so many times, and it weirded me out at first, but it really is a place that I've learned to call home, and I'm really glad that I've had the opportunity to come here and learn so much from the people around me.